Good day, guys. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete every TikTok activities you've been doing since the day you created your TikTok. How to clear memory in your TikTok so that you have a free space in your TikTok account. So without wasting time, let's go. Let's dive in. Now, when you go to your TikTok, click on your profile, click on these three dots, go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down, look for free of space. Now when you see 2.13 gig. Click on catch and clear it. Now click on downloads and clear it. Now go back to your profile. Now click on this search icon. Now type dot search. Now click on view your history, view your watch history. Okay, now, so these are all the histories you've been going through on your TikTok from the day you created your TikTok. So you have to delete them. Click on select. Click on select all. Now click on delete. Now you are done. The reason of doing this is to clear your TikTok memory and delete all these activities you've been going through on your TikTok. So thank you for watching.